Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you a quick formula on how to calculate your decreases for any crochet pattern. So when I want to know how many stitches I need to make before doing a decrease in my next round, all I do is take the number of stitches in my current round and divide that by the number of decreases that I want to make minus 2. So here in my current round I have 24 stitches. So then I'm going to take 24 and I want to make 4 decreases, so 24 divided by 4 is 6, and then 6 minus 2 is 4, so now I know I need to make 4 stitches before doing a decrease in my next round. Then when writing this out as a pattern, I'm going to write it as single crochet 4, then decrease 1, repeat the set 4 times, and I'll have a total of 22 stitches at the end. And that's it. I hope you guys found this helpful as you're writing your own crochet patterns, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next.